Guys, this is Sona. Welcome back to Loputra YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about the layoff and retrenchment under Industry Dispute Act. Layoff is defined under the section 2 clause triple K, which says that it is a failure, refusal, or inability of the employer in accordance with the shortage of coal, power, or raw materials, or due to the accumulation of stock, or due to the breakdown of machineries, to or whatso other reasons to give employment to the workman whose name is born under the must roll and who is not a retrenched person. In this definition, it is clear that is a temporary suspension given to the workman due to several reasons like shortage of raw materials or shortage of coal power, or due to the accumulation or more or accumulation of more stock or accumulation of the stock, or due to the breakdown of machineries, and whose name is registered in the must roll and who is not a retrenched person. Retrenched person means who is not a retired person. And this is all about definition for the layoff. And in the case Central Law Spinning Welling Manufacturing Company versus Indian Industrial Code, it was held that if the reason for not giving, or if the reason for the failure of giving employment to the workmen is no other than the reason in the definition, will not amount to the layoff. Hmm? And next case is Tata Nagar Foundry versus Workman. In that case, it was held that the workman maliciously brought a situation for accumulating the declaration of layoff, and it was held that it is a malified layoff and it is not a layoff. And for the compensation, for the layoff compensation, the employees must have been fulfill this condition. That first condition is this condition are tell in the section 25 clause C, in which first condition is that the industry must have more than 50 employees, and second condition is that the industry must have been in continuous nature, not a seasonal nature. And third one is that the person who claim as a workman must have the person who is claiming the layoff compensation must have to be a workman in that organization. Third one is he must have worked for at least 1 year. And next condition is that the layoff compensation must have to be give half of his salary, average salary. And next one is if the employer up to 45 days only 45 days only we can give layoff compensation. If the layoff is extended more than 45 days, then the employer can retrench that person from the employment. Retrench means retiring that person from the organization by giving retrenched compensation. And next one is burden of proof. In this layoff, the burden of proof is with the workman who is applying, who is claiming for the compensation, layoff compensation. He have to prove that he had been working in this organization for 120 days or 240 days or 120 days in that organization. This is all about layoff. Next one is retrenchment. Retrenchment is a permanent suspension of an employee in an organization. So here, employer is suspending the employee or the workman from the employment due to the change in the nature of the organization or anything. But it will not include voluntary retirement or superannuation or termination or non-renewing of the contract, or at the time of expiry of the contract, or continue illness. It will not include as a retrenchment. Retrenchment only include the suspension or termination by the employer from the service due to the recent change in the business. This is retrenchment. And the condition for valid retrenchment is told in the section 2 clause F. And once again, retrenchment is gives retrenchment definition is given under the section 2 clause O. And the condition for valid retrenchment is that 1 month prior notice had to be given to the person with reason, and also if and with 1 month notice with reason, with the 1 month wage also we have to give it. And next one is we have to give the compensation for at least 15 days of his average wage, and the notice also have to give to the appropriate government or the statutory provision or statutory authority about this retrenchment. And next one is procedure. Procedure is tell in 25 clause G, and it tells us that the person who is claiming the retrenched, the person who is retrenched must have to be come under the section of 2 clause J, which give the definition for workman, and the industry, the establishment which is giving the retrenchment must have to be in the definition of a 2J, and he must have be citizen of India. And there is a rule that last come first go. There must have no agreement in that. So last come first go was established or was firstly introduced in the case Oil and Oilseed Exchange Limited Delhi versus their labels. In that case, it was held that it was it was it was a healthy health to safeguard the safeguard against the termination of the employees, because the person who appointed last in that organization will go first during the retrenchment period. So this is all about retrenchment. And there is another clause in section 25H. It tells us that the person who is retrenched can be reappointed as an employee in that organization. So the person first have to be, the condition have to fulfill the condition that he must be a retrenched person and not a retired person, or like the person we had already told, the exception like a voluntary retirement, the person termination or non-renewal of the service, etc. And continue illness, person also cannot be accepted here. Only retrenched person only can give the reapplication for the reappointment of the for the job. And next condition that he must have a citizen of India. And next condition is that he must the person who is giving the application have to give to the same category while he was retreating. That means while he was retiring, that same category of the work have to give now also while giving the reappointment of application. So this is all about retrenchment. So layoff means a temporary suspension, and retrenchment is a permanent retirement or permanent suspension of the employee. Here in both cases, both the employee will get compensation while fulfilling that conditions. And that's all today. Thank you.